Hi guys, welcome to the Gadgets, GAMA. Today you will see top 5 cool gadgets that gonna amaze you. Spider-Man toy. As the manufacturer says, this toy is for kids, but it's quite the opposite. It can be very entertaining for adults also. This Spider-Man toy kit allows you to have fun for hours, especially if you are really a fan of Spider-Man. Toy kit is made by Hasbro, and it includes a regular mask and moving mask. The mask is attached to the head with adjustable straps, so the size of the head doesn't matter. Secondly, the kit includes web wings similarly to those seen in the Spider-Man movie. Best part is that blaster that shoots the web is looking awesome when somebody see you. Look at the complete gadget kit. Web-like substances come in special cans that are attached to the spider gloves. The substance comes out when I press the button. TRAINERBOT. If you love to play table tennis, then this will be your dream gadget. As you know, finding a good partner to play with is not that easy. This is a big problem for beginners to advanced level players, especially when the opposite player is not of your match. This TRAINERBOT will be your at $350. TRAINERBOT will be your perfect table tennis partner. It will never get tired, never get distracted, and always ready to play at your wish. This device has many advantages, like it can adjust the level of your play. Mini bot can be carried anywhere in your backpack with only 1.2 kilograms, can be easily installed on a horizontal surface and turned into your table tennis partner. This bot is controlled through the app by the user. You can choose the shooting time interval, speed, angle, direction, like a newbie can slow the speed of the balls, in the same direction. If you want to challenge your skill, you can adjust the speed and direction accordingly. Through the app, you can change the setting so that it throws balls in an unexpected direction. SPEKS. This invention kills your boredom at sitting in your chair with you creatively, without going anywhere for fun. But this doesn't make it interesting or fascinating. It consists of a set of small magnets, which only requires some creativity. The manufacturer offers two. The first one consists of 512 balls, and the second one consists of 1,000 balls. Choosing any one of the options gives you infinite possibility to create and develop new things. The only limitation is your creativity. Magnetic balls are very smooth and pleasant to the touch. This also allows you to relieve stress. Only drawback of this gadget is its small size, so it cannot be used by small children. Its cost varies from $28 to $50, depending upon the color and composition. ROVER land and sea vehicle. You can use this toy gadget for several hours without getting bored. The possibility of this gadget is totally unexplored. You can use it through remote control. This car can be moved in land and water without any hesitation. The developer equipped the vehicle with a camera that rotates 90 degrees. Thanks to this feature, you can become a researcher. Maximum range of this vehicle is 45 meters, and with the lighting feature you can use it at night also. The price of the car is about $100. MAE GO. This small gadget kit converts any place into a battleground. This gadget completely changed the traditional way of shooting. You don't need to sit in front of your video game play shooting. With this you can have shooting experience, any place anywhere. MAE GO is a robotic vehicle developed by Chinese company. The robotic vehicle is equipped with artificial intelligence, so that it can be moved independently and overcome any obstacle. It is able to return to the repair station and even avoid being shot at by a toy gun. The vehicle is a moving target. It appears easy but difficult to shoot the vehicle due to its artificial intelligence. MAE GO has its own application and with multiplayer mode can be a very big fun. This can be yours at only $130. If you like any of the gadgets, press the like and subscribe button. It won't cost you anything but always notifies you whenever we launch an amazing video like this one. Thanks for watching.